Episode 1. 9 Shocking Lies You Learned in School Intro. 0 o'clock to 0:40. Narrator. Let's face it. School taught us many things. How to write essays, solve for X, and pretend the mitochondria is more important than your mental health. But what if I told you? Some of the things you learned weren't just wrong. They were flat-out lies. Today we're exposing 9 shocking lies you were taught in school, that you probably still believe. And number 6. Yeah, that one's gonna hurt. Lie number 1042130. You only use 10% of your brain. It's a classic brain myth. Hollywood loved it. Your teacher might have mentioned it. But neuroscience says, false. Brain scans show that we use every part of our brain, just not all at the same time. Even simple tasks activate multiple areas. So unless you retrying to solve a Rubik's Cube while riding a unicycle blindfolded, your brain's already doing enough. Lie number 2-132-10. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. Cool idea. Total myth. From low Earth orbit? Maybe? Barely? From the moon? Not a chance. In fact, astronauts say it's easier to see airports and cities than the Great Wall. But hey, at least the wall still gets bragging rights for longest unpaid internship in human history. Line number 3-2-10-250. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. Wrong, it does. A lot. The Empire State Building is hit about 20 to 25 times per year. Lightning doesn't remember where it's been. It just goes where conditions are, right? So if you're thinking, I already got unlucky once, I'm safe now. Think again. Line number 4. 22, 340. There are only 5 senses. Sight, hearing, touch, taste, smell. That's what they told us. Scientists say we have more than a dozen examples. Balance, temperature, pain, body awareness, so yeah. Your body is basically a sensory powerhouse, not some 5-button remote. Line number 5-342, 420. Water conducts electricity. Yes and no. Pure water, terrible conductor. Tap water, ocean water, great conductors because of the dissolved ions. So next time someone says water plus electricity equals death, just whisper only if it's dirty and walk away dramatically. Line number 6-425-20. Humans evolved from monkeys. This one triggers arguments at Thanksgiving dinner. But here's the truth. Humans and monkeys share a common ancestor. We didn't descend from modern monkeys. It's more like, monkeys are our cousins, not our parents. So no, your great-great-grandpa wasn't a chimp, but you and a chimp do have a mutual great-great-great ancestor. Somewhere back in the family tree. Line number 7, 25, 20 to 6 o'clock. Seasons happen because Earth is closer to the sun. Sounds logical, but nope. It's all about the tilt of Earth's axis. That tilt changes how sunlight hits each hemisphere. In fact, Earth is closest to the sun in January, which is winter for the northern hemisphere. So yeah, distance has nothing to do with it. Sorry, heat-based logic. Lie number 8 to 6 o'clock to 6:45. Glass is a slow-moving liquid. We've all heard this one. Old church windows are thicker at the bottom. Must be glass flowing over centuries, except glass is a solid. A weird one, but still a solid. Old windows are uneven because of how they were made, not because they're melting like popsicles. Lie number 9 to 6:45 to 7:40. Your tongue has taste zones. Sweet at the tip, bitter in the back, salty on the sides. Total myth. All taste buds can detect all basic tastes. They read just slightly more sensitive in some areas. So if you're waiting for a flavor to reach the right zone on your tongue, T, it's already there. Outro 7:40 to 8:30. So, how many of these lies did you believe? 1, 3? All 9? Don't worry, it's not your fault. It's the system. But now you know the truth, and with great knowledge comes the desire to tell everyone around you they've been wrong their entire lives. Next episode, -9 lies you learned in history class. And spoiler, Columbus was not the hero they made him out to be. If you liked this, hit like, subscribe, and share it with that friend who still thinks we use only 10% of our brains. I'll see you in the next one.